Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a moving average in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then go to this icon here at the top. Click on it and go to available, scroll down and look for EMA or SMA. So SMA stands for simple moving average and EMA stands for exponential moving average. Okay, you can choose the one you want. So for me, I will choose the simple moving average, SMA, as you can see this one, and EMA, it's this one. Okay, okay. Let's add the SMA as we said. Now go to period and you can choose the period you want. So let's say, for example, 50. Scroll down and we have here the color and the thickness. So you can change the color from here. Let's choose, for example, black. And width is for the thickness. Let's choose, for example, 3. Click on apply and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.